Manish has already recorded a personal best. Can he do that once again? Get better than his personal best. Have to see where that lands. It's unbelievable! Arshad Nadeem has just become the first man from South Asia to cross the 90-meter barrier. This is incredible! Arshad Nadeem has just scripted history. It is 90.18. It is a games record, and more than that, he's not just the first Pakistani, but he's the first South Asian to cross the 90-meter barrier. This is incredible. He has shredded the games record to pieces here in front of the world champion Anderson Peters. In his last attempt, Arshad Nadeem has done the unthinkable.
The golden shoulder.